Are you looking for something a little bit newer with 4 bedrooms and an office, maybe even a 5th bedroom? Well, 1323 Corte Maltera in the gated community of Providence Park might be the home for you. So let's check it out. The home features a ton of upgrades, including quartz counters, shutters, a great pergola out back that even has a heater for those cold Southern California nights. It's close to the pool, but not too close. You'll also enjoy a tankless water heater. There's even an EV charger. You'll be living close to the community pool as well as so many things here in Costa Mesa. Thank you for viewing 1323 Corte Maltera. For further information or to schedule your own private showing, call the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Orange County, California.